He's working. He saw the class, he wants came inside the class, the other is just a class one, so my cousin looked down, he saw himself, herself. Yeah, updating my plan to look nice. Like it's hot right now. Just going in. I have my turtle cut the habitat and they he's the plant cut it like a turtle cut it and somehow going in there plant. And while he looked at me what I'm doing. I still want to go eat that fish. Does she eat it or not? She gonna eat it. If she see it's not moving, she will eat it. That is a good turtle. Her name is Rocky. I like her so much. She is so sweet girl. She likes to go into the glass. I don't know why. She looked down, she wants to go deeper than that. There it is lighter. Damn, fucking crazy. Probably she wants someone like same type like her. I think I'm gonna buy a red one. No, I want to buy a male one. Like a month, so my fish should be bigger. Cause if my fish bigger than a turtle, the turtle will not eat it. That's a male way. He usually eat we start by one that's her food. It live like 1 minute now it's kind of like all white. And she like to eat that one. She didn't press air on time. She could be in the water like 5 minutes and she didn't press air in time in 5 minutes. Or less than that. The slider is going in the water like 5 minutes. They will need air to come up to get some more air. Or the rainbow one, the rainbow for the planting, my fish, my goldfish, I think I'll go in that one. Because they like to go in there and sleep there. That would be cool.